Been James back with a brand new video for 2021. And I'd just like to welcome you. Happy New Year to everyone that's ventured in from the end of last year, which was a very, very, very different year we experienced across the globe and still coming out of. So I just wanted to welcome you in this new year and just give you a new video, my first video anyway. Been on a holiday break. I live in Australia, so it's great. Summer over here right now. Not sure where you live, but wherever it is, I'm sure you're enjoying every positive of every season, even though it's cold. It could be snowing where you are right now. But what I want to talk about on this video a little bit today is, affiliate marketing and selling other people's products online and making money online. It's a process. And I guess my headline for the YouTube video right now is you have to be bad before you're good. You have to fail before you succeed. And I know we've heard all this before, but I really want to just sort of talk about how in my own story, how I started off and how I failed many, many times online trying to create the success and do what everyone was saying online, buy every product I could possibly buy. When I first started out online, I made a little bit of money, but it wasn't before I made a lot of mistakes. And if you think you're not going to make, that many mistakes and fall over and not make money sometimes and have roadblocks, then you're in fantasy land, because affiliate marketing is all about, like with any business, there's a growth period that you're going to go through. And guys, I just thanks for coming to watch this video about this. And if you're getting value out of this, just like, subscribe, comment below, and ask questions. And comment below maybe about your experience as well. But yeah, guys, like if it's something that's you get online and just everything works magically, I wish it was like that. But it's just not like that. It's a journey for everyone. We all come from different levels and different backgrounds, and you can certainly go from one program to another program to another program and another program, and you pick up little bits and pieces of each time you learn. But at the end of the day, I want to say, until you find something that you can really sink your teeth into, a program online that coaches and shows you and mentors you how to follow a proven track record, then until you do that and really invest your time into that for 6 to 12 months or even 18 months, then you'll just keep jumping from product to product. And it's called shiny object syndrome. It comes into your email. Our email boxes are flooded every day. Well, mine's not, because I've streamlined my email box. Okay, I've deleted a whole lot of people off that I feel that don't add value, and or don't bring value. All they're going to do is just, they just keep just showing up little shiny new objects for me to potentially buy, and I just felt like that was a distraction. But eventually, over the years, as I learned from going in affiliate marketing and then going in MLM and back in affiliate marketing and going freelancing online and creating content for local businesses and selling that online to local businesses services, then going back in MLM marketing for a while. This is all over, it feels like it's nearly is 20 years. And just from one thing to another to another. Now, I'm not saying that's a bad thing, because you learn from each thing that you journey on to, each thing that you partake in. You always learn from it. You learn more about yourself. You learn about other people, and it's a real eye opener. But there are times there between those cycles, I had little breaks because I had to reset and rethink of where I'm at. Why aren't I succeeding at the level that the gurus tell me? Why haven't I reached that level? That they all say that I can do so easily. We're told online. But guys, it wasn't until I really, really sunk my teeth into and started investing into online mentors, and that was about 8 years ago when I first invested into an online mentor, and that was to do with the freelancing side of things I did, and that really started making me some inroads into this whole affiliate marketing journey. And I started to make some actual profits that really resonated profits. I could see the potential where this was going. So I committed to that for some time, for a few years, and I got the results. And then with just the global financial crisis and a few other um, changes in algorithms and glitches in the system with YouTube and different things like that. That kind of cycle, that kind of freelancing sort of ended for a lot of people, and that was sort of coming to a short dead end. So I decided to go back into what I started out doing, which is affiliate marketing, which is just simply promoting other people's products online and gaining profits out of that. And so that's when I first realized, after committing to someone that's actually got a track record of having certain results and is way ahead of me down the track of where I want to be, and following in their footsteps, following their proven strategies. And so in recent times, I've invested back into an online mentor with affiliate marketing, because in the past I never really did. I just bought shiny little objects, new programs, $80, $30, $27, $7 startup trial, 100 odd dollars, and again just committed to them for a month or two, never got any results, and that's the mistake you're making right there. If I could, talk to myself 10 years ago or longer, I would say to myself, don't just get stuck there. Do some research online, find someone that you resonate with, and jump in on what they're doing and leverage off their system, leverage off them, learn off them, model off them, and get coached by them, which is what I'm doing now and having great results doing that, and not looking back. So this video was all about you starting out, and you've got to be bad to actually be good, in the sense of you've got to start doing things, and you mightn't do them perfectly. It doesn't matter. You might look perfectly when you do your videos online. Maybe you want to start YouTube video marketing online. If you're in it for the long term, then I encourage you to do that. YouTube's a massive, massive platform. It gets a lot of traffic. And all you need to do is start every day, find an area of interest, find somewhere where you can sell other people's products in that niche, and start creating videos about it. Go watch the successful videos in that niche. Go watch, other people that are succeeding in that niche, and model off them. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to go through it and try something that you're not sure if it works or not. Go and watch the top 5 videos in a certain niche, and then model that to your own video. You've got to get started somewhere, and as you do it, you'll get better and better and better. Now, let's just say for the next 18 months, you set yourself a goal for the next 12 months. So, well, this year's going to pass anyway. Last year passed, and this year's going to pass. Now, either do something with my life online, or either get on with it and commit to something and invest in myself and really, really just commit, knuckle down. The next 12 months, you start putting out 2 videos a week in a certain niche that you have some interest in, and you start doing that constantly and get better and model off those that are doing well. Then by the end of the year, that's about nearly 80, 90, 100 videos if you do it religiously every week. Then that's massive, and your links are in that video. You're going to be able to build your list, build your business, and build your audience and your brand. So guys, I really encourage you that you may start off banned, you may start off chunky. There's people in the program that I'm in now where their journey, they started off really rocky, and they've shared some of that with inside the group. I'm part of the Facebook group now. This is my online mentor, Zach Crawford. Fantastic guy. It took me a while to find people like Zach. Super, super, just a brilliant, brilliant online coach. Says it like it is, no BS. And I was looking for someone like that for years that didn't seem to, promise the world, or promise the world but not deliver. And Zach promises that you can do it, because he's done the 7 figures, but really gets on board with helping you to do it. And when I joined, we get access to a private group, 7-figure affiliate marketing secret. And in here every week, Zach just puts up some valuable stuff on top of all the training we already receive in the group. And it's so good. Sorry about that, guys. A bit of a glitch in the system here. I ran out of space on my laptop as I was talking to you before. But like I was saying in the group here, so much value. I finally found that a mentor, online mentor, that could show me the ropes, that can really show me hands-on, one-on-one. And it's made all the difference in my journey. And like I said, I've had a mentor before that really made a difference. But I guess now I was, they say that, when you are ready, the the mentor will appear. And I guess when you're ready, when you're in that frame of mind and your mindset where you're sick of going from you know, a shiny object to program and not having success, not creating those, not hitting those goals that you want, unless you get to that place of pain and feeling that you won't really truly turn around and invest in yourself and decide this is it, come hell or high water, I'm committing to this and I'm succeeding in it. And that's the place I hope for you guys to get to, like where I've been and many others in this group are. And they share their stories in here and other tips and other great stuff that people are doing and working for them. So it's just an invaluable group to be a part of. And that's only a small part of what's involved with this mentoring program. But I would highly suggest right now that you go into the link below and grab the free training that I've set up for you, that Zach set up for you as well, that you can go through and get a bit of a feel for the free training that Zach provides. And that's in the link below. So go ahead, guys, if you've liked this, if you're interested in having a closer look, you're in a similar place where you've just had enough. You just think 2021 is my year. 20 is my year of breaking out of bad habits, not reaching my goals, putting things off, making excuses, saying I haven't got enough money, all those things, because at the end of the day, we all make those excuses whether we like it or not, whether we want to admit it or not. You know, I was talking to someone the other day and they said, oh, look, I've got no money in it, but it's not my fault. Sorry, it's your fault if you've got no money, because at the end of the day, you look after your money. Now, it might have been an outside source or a bank that cut you off, or work, you lost your job. At the end of the day, you've got to take that accountability on board and say, no, everything but the buck stops with me. If I'm not haven't got enough money, it's problems with me. It's problems with my money management. I need to seek better money management. If you're not succeeding online, you need to ask why and ask layers of why. Why this? Why am I succeeding online? Why because of that? Why do I jump from product to product? Why do I get so far and then sabotage myself? You've got to ask the question why. So guys, I really hope you got so much out of this video and a little bit of something that you can relate to. I'm not here to just fluff and BS you all on stuff. You know, you've got to find things that resonate with you, and I hope that has for you. Please like and subscribe. It helps my channel out a bit, and I appreciate you commenting below because I will get back to you. But by all means, sign up below, guys. Click the link and check it out. You won't be sorry if you decide to move forward. I hope you have a great year. I wish you all the success. I really do hope you find the right business model for you, I guess, and commit to it. Whatever that is for you, commit to it. Say to yourself, I'm committing for the next 12 months, come hell or high water. No more excuses, and that's enough. So thanks again. Wish you all the best, and we'll see you on the next video. There'll be many more from me. So please keep a lookout.